Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special for you. With summer just around the corner, it's time to keep your home fresh with these essential cleaning tips you absolutely need. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the tips, don't forget to subscribe to Limpier for all your cleaning needs. Now, let's get started. First things first, decluttering. Create a sense of space and tranquility by removing unnecessary items. It's the perfect way to start your summer cleaning routine. Bring the summer sunshine in. Clean your windows with a simple water and vinegar solution for that streak-free shine. Summer is all about light and airy vibes. Refresh your curtains, upholstery, and bedding to eliminate dust and allergens. Breathe in that freshness. Dust, not in our summer paradise. Grab a damp cloth or microfiber duster to clean ceiling fans and light fixtures. Better air circulation and brighter lighting await. Time to dance barefoot, vacuum carpets, rugs, and hard floors to kick away dust and debris. A clean floor is the foundation of a fresh home. Give your walls some love. Use a mild detergent solution to wipe away marks and dust from walls and baseboards. Your home will thank you. A good night's sleep starts with a clean mattress. Vacuum and deodorize to remove dust mites and odors. Sleep tight in your fresh summer haven. And for all your cleaning needs, Limpier has you covered. Check out our range of cleaning products on our website. Now, let's talk about Limpier's team of professionals. They're trained, experienced, and ready to make your home sparkle. Book your summer cleaning with Limpier for a hassle-free experience. Next up, the heart of your home, the kitchen. Clean and organize your cabinets. A clutter-free kitchen is a happy kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, let's not forget the appliances. A deep clean for your refrigerator, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Keep things cooking smoothly. Step into the great outdoors. Sweep patios, clean outdoor furniture, and wash windows. Your outdoor haven deserves a summer makeover too. Air quality matters. Check and clean air vents for better circulation. Keep your home cool and comfortable during those summer heat waves. Ready to turn these cleaning tips into reality? Book your summer cleaning with Limpier. It's easy. Visit our website, give us a call, or download our app for a seamless experience. And there you have it, essential summer cleaning tips to keep your home fresh. Thanks for joining us on Limpier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, happy cleaning.